Hi guys, in this video we're going to look at a very simple experiment to do with friction. All you need for this is two books or catalogues or textbooks or whatever you want to use, something you don't mind getting destroyed, and a little bit of sellotape. And the point of this is really just a bit of a fun illustration for your class as to just how hard it can be to overcome friction, and how friction can be something that while the friction between two individual objects might appear small, when you mount that up, when you scale that up, it can actually be far more significant than it would appear. So, to demonstrate that, I've got two catalogues here. Now, the friction between any two pages you would think is very low, especially considering that the pages are quite glossy and they slide past each other really quite easily. Well, what I've done is I've painstakingly interwoven each one of the pages, and all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put one layer of tape, certainly not enough to actually hold this together under its own power, but I'm going to put one layer of tape around it just to loosely bind the pages together. That's it there. And the challenge is to try and separate these books using just muscle power. Now, all that's holding these pages together, apart from a tiny bit of tape, is the friction between the pages. Now, you wouldn't think that would actually be ripping one page up. You wouldn't think that would actually be very much at all, but in fact, across all the different pages, that really mounts up quite significantly. And just to separate these two catalogues would take a monumental amount of force, far more than any one person can generate. So it's quite a fun thing to challenge your class to do, see if they can, maybe get a couple of them tugging on it. It really is no more than just an illustration, but one that will probably stick in their minds a wee bit, and it does teach us a little something about how friction works. Cheers!